Hi Mom, hi Dad. Also, hi classmates who are watching this presentation. This is my presentation about why you should be my co-signature on my loan for my apparel company. And I thought, what better way to illustrate that than to use a t-shirt, since that's what I'll primarily be selling with the company. Okay, let's go. So here you can see I've laid out a t-shirt and I'm writing on top the purpose for my loan. Now the purpose for my loan is as stated. It's for an apparel company in which I'll be selling t-shirts. $36,000, and I will get into the reasons as to why I need $36,000 later. Now, the source for my loan amount was from nerdwallet.com. That's also where I got my loan payment amount. The loan I would be taking from a group called Freedom Plus, who gives personal loans and they give a business loan. The loan would be about 10% APR over 3 years, and I would pay $1,175 a month. As my work, I would be an art director whose starting salary is an average of $103,510 a year. Taxes, that's $31,053 a year. And if you divide that by 12, that's $2,587.75 of monthly income. Cost of living will be $507 a month. That's broken up by $150 in food, $257 in utilities, $0 in apartment rent since I would be living with my parents, and $100 for transportation. Now, why $36,000 for a loan? You may be asking. That is quite a bit of money. Well, first off, I'm gonna need ink. For 20 buckets of ink, which is essentially enough for 1,000 t-shirts, which is the amount I'll be purchasing, I need to pay about $250. For the shirts, I would be buying 1,000 shirts. That means 250 small, medium, and large t-shirts, coming around to a total of about $2,090. Next, I would need a website to sell my t-shirts on. That'll run me $864 for a total of 3 years. After that, I need a $10,000 screen printing machine to increase efficiency. The rent for a physical location would be around $21,000 US. Now, for my model of how I would figure out when my loan balance would be zero, can be simply found by taking my initial loan amount, multiplying it by 1 plus my rate to the n power, and that n power is the number of loan payments, or the amount of time really, minus my payment amount that I'm paying every month, times 1 plus, again, that 1 plus the rate, 1 over 108 over 12. That would be my model. Now for 10 years, the model would be a bit different. For 10 years, I would simply use the same equation as before, but this time I would be using 10 years as my number of payments as to find out how long it would take me to pay off the loan using the amount of money I used for payments. Here is my graph of how much my actual loan payments would look. As you can see, around the 3-year mark, it drops steeply, and I've actually paid the loan off before 3 years, but since it's a 3-year model and that was my suggested payment amount, I decided to go with $1,175 because simply that was easier than going in and manually picking a number that would work each time. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed.